Question 9 of the additional maths paper 2022. This question, we got points of intersection. So what we're going to be doing is equaling them to each other and solving them and then subbing in to find y. So it's like a method of simultaneous equations, kind of, the substitution method. So let's start that off. So we got 5x squared minus 8x minus 6 equals 10x plus 2. Okay, the only reason why they're equal to each other because they're both equal to y. So we can essentially sub in the value of y for one of those sides. First thing I'm going to do is chuck everything to the other side. That's always the easiest way to do these ones because it'll give us then two values for x. So chucking over that, so 5x squared. If I take that 10 over, that's going to give me minus 18x. And if I chuck that 2 over, it's going to be minus 8. And that equals 0. At this stage, then, I'm going to want to factorize to see if it can be factorized. So 5 times 8 gives me 40. And then just finding the factors of 40, see if they can give me minus 18. And let's think. So we've got, obviously 1 and 40 won't, but we'll just write that down. 2 and 20. 4 and 10. Nope. 5 and 8. We're getting, oh, here we go. 2 and 20. Because we got a negative 40, 2 and 20 work because we can have minus 20 plus 2 gives us 18. So that's the one I'm using. So once I'm at this stage, then I just sub it in. So I'm going to go 5x squared minus 20x plus 2x minus 8. That's still equal to 0, but this is how I use it to factorize. Split it down the middle. And then what's common in this section? Well, we've got 5x, which is common, and x on the inside. 5x times 4 will give us the minus 20. And then this side now will have that same bracket. So I'm just going to write that in straight away. And x times what gives us 2x? Well, we know straight away that's 2. Once we're at this stage, nice and easy, we're going to do x minus 4. And we're going to have 5x plus 2. Personal preference, which way around you have it. I just was being a bit, I like having the number in front. With the one with the coefficient in, it's just, I feel like it needs to be at the front. So that's equal to 0, which means x is 4, or x is minus 2 over 5. So just be aware there, if there's a coefficient in front of the x, we have to put that underneath. That's done. Once we're at the section now, we're just subbing in. So when x is 4, so let's write y equals 4 times 10 plus 2, which then gives us 42. Or when x is minus 2/5, a little bit more difficult. You do have a calculator though if you are feeling a little bit unmathsy that day. Don't think that's a word, but we'll go with it. So minus 2/5, or 1/5 of 10 is 2 times by, so that's minus 4. So it should give you y is minus 2 for that part. She's still with it. So the coordinates, find the coordinates are, I've written x instead of 4. There we go. 4, 42. And minus 2/5 and minus 2. There you go. Right, let's check the mark scheme. 6 marks for this, so let's hope we got all 6. I've written over the work again. It's fine, it's over the additional stuff. additional methods anyway. So we got M1, so we got a mark just for making them equal to each other. So you didn't even have to do anything and you got a mark. Done. We then got it equal into 0, gave us another mark. So 2 marks straight away, nice and easy. Then the factorising part of it. Did they factorise here? They used the quadratic formula. So that was another way you could have done it, but we factorised, which we still get the same answer. So as long as we showed a method, which we've done here, we got a mark. And again, why they've got the dot, dot, dots means that if the signs were wrong, for instance, for some reason you just muddled them up, you still gained a mark for your method. And then a mark for your final brackets, which we had down by there. So we're on 4 marks. Values of x gave us a mark each. Some of you like that with the decimals. Okay, minus 2/5 is the same as 0.4. That's where the or equivalent comes in. And then subbing them in to get the y values of 42 and minus 2 gave us a last marks here. So this one was worth 6 marks. Hopefully you see where all the 6 marks have come from now. And well done. See you on the next video.